Pokemon Master here, and we are here for another taste test review.
And I am PokeKing / Maximum Gamers XL200 / Poke Clan / Thunderstruck / Titan Pride. So yeah,
You forgot one account.
what?
The one account where you always play guard. And we have my brother in this.
Oh yeah,
His idea.
Agario / Zoro Gaming.
Yeah, you have Zoro.
Zoro Gaming. Something.
So, yeah, we're gonna do a video here. We're gonna get the candy, be right back. We're back, and what we are trying to be trying are Turtle Original,
Nope.
Crunch Bar,
Nope.
Junior Mints,
Nope.
Heath,
No.
Baby Ruth,
No.
and
Nothing.
100. Okay. So this is what we're trying to do. Chewy caramel and milk chocolate and crispy crunches. Nothing.
100 grams.
I'm gonna try this.
I'm not trying it, by the way.
Why?
Okay. I am.
Freaking break.
You weak.
Hold that. Don't need it.
Why?
Okay.
Cause it's not yours, okay? No one's eating it anyways. He doesn't even
Whatever.
care.
Ew. Okay, we're gonna try 3, 2, 1.
No, we're not.
Crunchy.
No.
Yeah, crunchy.
First bite
Don't
is
copy up.
Okay.
horrible.
Good.
Horrible.
Next. Da 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 da, Baby Ruth. Baby Ruth. Da 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 da. Have you ever had a Baby Ruth?
Yes.
Are they good?
What?
Are they good?
Yeah.
We're not trying this.
I
I
didn't get.
hate you.
Alright.
I tried this before. Tried all the candy you have here except this thing, whatever that is.
Can I eat it?
You want to try this?
No. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Just eat it already.
Good.
No, horrible.
Mm-hmm.
Michael doesn't even like it.
I do.
Mhm. Good.
Okay. Okay. No,
Next is a warhead.
no,
Warhead.
no, no,
I'm
no.
just kidding. Next is a crybaby. No, I'm just kidding. We're not doing that either.
We're doing that. Be right back.
Not too good with that.
Junior Mints. I've never had these.
There's a small minty. That's it.
Oh wow.
I'm not eating those
Why?
because they're on there and it's dirty. Give me one. How many's in here? How many do you guys have? Oh, well, I don't care.
I'm gonna get a
Oh, here
candy.
you go.
Michael, I'm gonna get a candy.
Go. I don't have these though.
Oh, take one.
They're minty. That's it.
Take one.
Oh!
What?
You guys are.
Give me one.
Why?
I don't have one.
How?
Very minty. These
I have
are
to get my taste on.
these are little. Yeah,
They're
me,
getting nasty.
me too. I need a taste.
All right. All
Right
right.
back.
There you
Crunch
go.
bar.
Here's mine. Crunch. If you don't believe it's crunch, there's a CH for the end.
Crunch.
Crunch. Let's put it together. Put it together. This is all broken. You know, put it together here. Crunch. See? All right, let's go.
I didn't get crunchy. Yeah, good.
Mm-hmm. Da, 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 da.
Da, 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 da.
Keith is next.
Mario number
Guess
one.
what? This one, only 2 people, which is you and Norm.
Nuh-uh.
You can't even split it. It won't break.
You have more.
You need 3 because it won't break.
Pause the video.
I'm sorry.
Oh, do we really have 11?
Put this in this candy.
Don't we feel like 5? Bum bum bum.
Hurry up. Alright, so now they're gonna be trying it.
Open it.
No one hates it. I don't know how, but I maybe want to try it. I've had it before, but whatever. Eat it. But you should have stayed. Alright, last candy, guys.
Okay.
Last candy.
Bum, 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 bum. Looks weird.
Good, what candy dropped out of my mouth?
Oh, it's a caramel candy, so.
Mm-hmm. Sticking to the wrapper there.
What's the wrapper?
What happened from? I see him. I'll give it after.
Where is it? Oh.
I didn't get to taste it.
What the heck is it? What's it candy?
I'll right below you.
Huh? What was that? What just flew at me? Michael.
Oh.
Ooh, Michael. Michael. Oh,
What?
good though. I ate it.
Mm-hmm. Good.
It was okay.
Something just flew at me.
What?
When you opened it, something flew at me. Grab it. Oh, let me check it. So suspicious. Did you see something flew at me? And it was a hole. In the
Be right back. If you guys enjoyed this video, I know it was a long video, sorry. But we're done. Okay, cow. This guy right here, my brother. Me out. Peace.